Imagine a hotel stay where every detail is tailored to your preferences, every request is anticipated, and every interaction is seamless. This isn't just luxury, it's the AI-powered future of hospitality. First, AI for personalized guest experiences. AI analyzes guest profiles, past stays, and even social media activity to anticipate needs and preferences. From presetting room temperatures and recommending local attractions to remembering your favorite coffee order, AI ensures every guest feels uniquely valued. It's about creating truly memorable stays. Second, AI for automated operations. AI-powered chatbots handle routine inquiries, freeing up staff for more complex tasks. Robotic concierges can deliver amenities, and AI optimizes housekeeping schedules, energy consumption, and maintenance. This leads to smoother operations, reduced costs, and faster service. It's about invisible efficiency. Third, AI for predictive maintenance. AI monitors hotel infrastructure, HVAC systems, elevators, plumbing, to detect potential issues before they become problems, minimizing disruptions. AI-powered security systems enhance guest safety by monitoring public areas and alerting staff to unusual activity. It's about ensuring a safe, comfortable, and uninterrupted experience. AI is redefining hospitality, making every stay more personalized, efficient, and secure. Look for hotels and resorts that are embracing these innovations. Subscribe to Boomin AI to explore how technology is enhancing our travel experiences. Subscribe to Boomin AI to explore how technology is enhancing our travel experiences.